Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I recorded this video for Instagram, but I decided just to put it up on YouTube. I'm just doing this really simple design on, these are the Chaun Legend Sculpted extra long coffin nails, yes. So I'm going to start by applying white to the pinky, and then I'm going to apply this really pale pink color to all the other nails. So this pink color has been the ultimate favorite for everybody. It's just like the perfect natural pink. And I got this from Pink Gelac, and it's number 166 Vintage Nude. So this is my favorite. Yeah. As far as these tips go, I absolutely love them. As you guys can see, they are very sculpted. And I find that the sculpted nails are a little bit stronger than the regular ones. But yeah. Anyway, so I'm going to start painting the nails. So all the nails are going to be a little bit different. For this one, I'm going to be doing a really deep V French. So what I like to do is just use some painting gel and, sorry, my dog is playing. I'm just going to do a V. I like to dot a dot on the sides and then one at the very top middle, and then I just connect the lines and hope that it's straight. And then after that, I just fill it in with white, and then I'm going to cure that. So actually, before curing, I'm going to apply a top coat on the ring finger and the pinky finger. These are just fingers that I am already done with. So yeah, I'm just going to seal them up so that they aren't in the way. So once that's all cured, I'm going to go in with my ombre nails, and I am using a base coat on these two nails. Because when you do airbrush, because it is a gel airbrush paint, you want to make sure you have a tacky layer for it to stick on. So I'm using my airbrush, which I'm going to link down below. I got on Amazon. I figured if I got a cheaper airbrush, I can make sure that I like using it and it works for me before investing in a more expensive one. So I'm just going to apply this. The gel that I'm using is actually air gel from Apres. So yeah, I'm just going to spray that. Start at the bottom and then move upwards so that it has a nice little gradient effect. After that, I am going in with a holographic powder for this nail. I love how she just has a bunch of random nails in this design. I think it's so cute, and it turned out very pretty. So last, I'm going to top everything off with a top coat just to make sure everything's sealed in there. I do like to put an extra top coat on all the other nails. I don't know why. It just makes the nail a little bit thicker. Obviously, these are sculptured nails, so they don't really need to be thicker. But that's just habit, I guess. Oh, also, when applying top coat to an ombre nail, make sure that you have a lot of product on the brush and just have it hover over. This way you're not dragging the gel back off, because that can happen sometimes. So she decided to add some crystals, so I'm just going in with this crystal pen. This is a crystal glue pen, and I got this from Daily Charm, and I'm obsessed with it, and it keeps my crystals on for so long. And I love that it has like this precision tip so that I can really keep those crystals in, if that makes sense. But yeah, we're just gonna put maybe like 2 crystals on a couple fingers. Yeah. Last, I'm going to do my final cleanup, and this is just very lightly going over the gel. Sometimes when you paint with gel, you can get kind of like rough edges, so I just like to clean it up and keep the shape of the nail, which is obviously the really crisp, sharp ends. And yeah, so yeah, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys like this really simple, easy design. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!